Kajingyalang jonga Kynhun Myntri jonga Sorkar Jylla hakasing thodeng kala Mynjur yaka amendment of 6th schedule kabadai nak bentaban penbon shosho yaka jingdan ki MDC haki district council jonga Jylla. Habakren bakirat pathai khubor hadin balawai Kajingyalang Myntri rangba ka Jylla ukonrat ke sangma ula ongru bayakate ka phangkin sapha shaka Sorkar pedeng shen hakini ki khandiat singi.
Cabinet meeting for the amendment of the 6th schedule and the proposals that have to be sent from the government of Meghalaya. So as you're aware that most of the areas have been sorted out and the issues have been resolved. The last few pending issues were regarding the number of seats in the councils and regarding the formation of the village councils. In the number of seats, the proposal that the government of Meghalaya has given is that Khasi Hills and Garo Hills shall have not more than 40 members, out of which not more than 4 will be nominated and the rest will be elected through adult suffrage. And for Jylla Hills will have not more than 32 members, out of which not more than 2 will be nominated and the rest will be elected through adult suffrage. Then in terms of the village council, the members, the cabinet has proposed that we should, that the village councils will be elected, but the chairman will be an ex officio, will be the Rangbashong, the Sordar or the Nokma will be the de facto chairman of the village council, and the secretary will be elected, and as per the different provisions, the other members also will be elected. But the chairman of every village council will by de facto be the Rangbashong or the Sordar or the Nokma as per the, or the head/headman. So these are the two recommendations which were the last few pending issues that were left. We have proposed it, and this has been done, of course, after thorough consultation and a discussion with all different stakeholders, including the district councils themselves. And these suggestions have come from the district councils, and accordingly the state government has proposed this to the government of India, and these proposals will go in the next few days. And I will also be discussing this once I go to Delhi for discussion on the border issue. Apart from that, we'll also discuss, as I said, we have updated the cabinet on the border issue itself, and we will be meeting the Assam Chief Minister tomorrow evening at about 4:35 o'clock in Guwahati, and we're hopeful that once that meeting is over, we should be able to come to a final conclusion on these first 6 locations that we are trying to resolve.